Gakpon.
Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama issued a directive on Tuesday, December 21, prohibiting the lining of vehicles in roads leading to gasoline stations from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. He authorized the Cebu City Transportation Office and the police force to issue citation tickets to violators of this order, whose vehicles can also be towed.
Wala mo linya sa kadalanan from 6 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock in the evening. Ang maglinya sa pagpatubil starts only at 8 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the morning. Starting tomorrow, we are directing CTOM and the PNP to already issue a citation kung dili gani atong ito ang mga sakyanan nga maglinya.
Those who would like to line up to refuel their vehicles at night may only do so between 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. The city is also urging gasoline stations to open 24/7 to accommodate more vehicles. They also announced the strict rationing will be implemented wherein each vehicle can only get a maximum of 20 liters at a time, except for government and public service vehicles. The Cebu City government will also open their 24-hour gasoline depot near the NOAA complex at the South Road Properties on Wednesday, December 22 at 1 p.m.
Government, no? Nga vehicle, government, nga mga personnel nato dinhi who are issued a sticker, no? Issued by the disaster, they will have a priority, no? Kaya na may mga ato mga tao diri, ato mga agency, and even the press, we will issue a card or sticker. Actually, it's a sticker, no? Coming from the disaster that you can actually have the priority para pagpatubil dito sa SRP.
This has been Shariza May Uy of My TV Cebu.